Alright guys, with this I am done with my design. But for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to include another thing into this video so that you know how to manipulate your background to get other designs out of your previous designs. Okay, so with this I downloaded this background here, this particular background. So let me bring it to the top so that you see what I'm talking about. So yeah, so this is the background that I have downloaded, this one. So if you don't want to use your normal color background, you can also download this kind of background from Pinterest and then use it in your design. So after you design, just import the background and send it to the back like I am about to do. So you just click on these three dots. You just click on these these dots over here and send it to the back. Okay, so I'm sending it to the back. All right, so from here you can go to opacity, which is this, the opacity. Then you click on it and reduce it a bit to blend with the background. Or if you like it this way, you can as well keep it. If you want to reduce it a bit, it's also fine. Remember, we are trying to achieve something, which is to get viewers click on it. So when it is bright enough, people get to see it more. So I think this is fine. Then you save it. Okay, so we are done. I'm going to save this image, and that is all. See you in my next video.